A great morning to you, my friends. This is the third in a series of readings from the Jamaican New Testament in honor of my mom, Hyacinth Richards. And as I have said before, she loved the Jamaican New Testament, and she was on her way through it for the third time when she passed. So I'm doing a series of readings, and particularly reading of chapters I had read to her while she was too sick to read for herself. And this one for today is from 1 Corinthians 13. No, 1 Corinthians 13 is a long chapter. It's a very long chapter. And so I am hoping that you'll be able to stick with me through it. And if by chance you are not Jamaican and you do not understand the Jamaican language, then feel free to grab a version of the New Testament of the Bible that you are comfortable with so that you can follow along as I read 1 Corinthians chapter 15. So I hope you're ready. Hope you had a good night's rest. And let's go. Let me see if there is anyone who is catching us live. But whether you catch us live or you're on the replay, be blessed by this reading. And if you're catching it live or on the replay, feel free to share it with someone who may benefit from this reading of 1 Corinthians 15. So, all right, we have 58 verses. Let's begin verse 1. Now, my brother and sister, I want to help you remember the message about Jesus Christ when we did preach to you. And that said message there, when you are keeping on the heart and where everything when you believe based upon. And that message here, where we save you, if you hold on pan it strong and keep it in our heart. But if you top believe, they believe when you used to believe in a Christ, I did for nothing. Because me tell you no, the most important part of the message seem like how God tell me. Me tell you no say, Jesus Christ come and dead for we and save we from we sin them, just like how God word did say him would do it. Me tell you no say, them bury him, and when 3 days pass, him come back alive, just like how God did say him would have come back. And when him come back alive, him go and make Cephas see him, and then him 12 followers them see him. After that, all of 500 our brother and sister them see him one time too. Some of them brother and sister they dead, but most of them still alive. After them people they see him go show himself to James, and after James, he make the whole of him apostle them see him. Me are the last somebody to see him, and he make me see him, even though me come in like somebody we born the wrong time. Because the rest of apostle them better than me. Me not good enough for them even call me one apostle. Because me used to take God, make God people suffer bad. And me all did kill off some of them. But a true God good and kind to me. Make me can do what me I do now. And all what him do for me, I know for nothing. Me work harder than all of the other apostles them. But me never do it by my own. God help me to do it, because he's good and kind to me. So, it no matter if I'm me or a them did preach, all of we preach the same thing, and all of we believe the same thing. Now, if we are preach say Christ Jesus come back alive, or someone cannot say that nobody can come back alive. But If nobody can come back alive, then Christ Jesus couldn't come back alive neither. And if Jesus Christ never come back alive, then we are preached for nothing. And when we believe, no make no sense. And no work nothing neither. And if a true say nobody can come back alive after they're dead, then we are tell lie upon God too when we tell people say, he make Jesus Christ come back alive. Because if nobody can come back alive, then God never make Jesus come back alive neither. If Christ Jesus never come back alive, then when we believe, none of use, and we never get saved neither. God still going to punish you for no sin. What's the people them we believe in a Jesus Christ and we're dead already? Them gone for good. God a punish them for their sin. So if we can only trust Christ Jesus to save we in a life here and not the next one, then more than anybody else, we people should have sorry for. But the truth is that Jesus Christ did come back alive. And he make we know for sure. Say God are gonna make other people were dead and we believe in him come back alive too. Because just like all people dead, say our one man did do, as same so people are gonna come back alive. Say our one nether man did do. People are dead, say our Adam did do. But people will believe in a God are gonna come back alive, say our Jesus Christ did do. But everybody now go come back alive same time. Everybody have them own a time. God make Jesus Christ come back alive first. And when Jesus Christ come back again, the people will believe in him and we're dead, them are going to come back alive too. And the world are got done when Jesus give Father God in kingdom. But Jesus now go give God the kingdom till he take control over all the wicked spirit them and take away them power so that they can't do nothing again. Because Jesus have to rule over the kingdom till he put the whole enemy them under him foot. And the last enemy where am I going to get rid of are death. Because in a God word, it say him put everything under him foot. Him rule over everything. But when they say everything, they now talk about God too. And God make Jesus rule over everything and put him enemy them under him foot. And when God make him boy pitney rule over everything, he might go rule over him boy pitney. And that way there, God will rule over everything. No. What about the people them we go get baptized for the people them were dead and never get for baptized before they dead? If nobody can come back alive, where them get baptized for? And if we can't come back alive when we're dead, what make we teach God word and I put we life in a serious trouble every day? My brother and sister, every day me put myself in a serious trouble. Me can dead anytime. Me can say there something just like me can boast and say good thing about uno, because uno believe in a God, enough, and uno and Jesus, close. If nobody can come back alive, what good it do me if me fight with the people them right here? So in Ephesus, we are fight me like say them a wild animal. If nobody can come back alive, make we name and drink, because tomorrow me might have dead. No make them fool you know. If you keep friend with wicked people, then will cause you to turn away from where you know right and make you the wicked sin too. When you wake up, take control of yourself and tap sin, you should have shame. Because some of you don't know God at all. But some of you are going to ask, how dead people are going to come back alive? What kind of body them are going to have? You know a fool. When you plant seed, it not dead and dry out first before you can plant it. And where you plant, And also it go look when it grow. You plant sow seed, maybe one wheat grain or some other kind of seed. But when it grow, it not look same way. But God make everything look the way him want it to look. He make all the different seed them look and shape different from them one another. Because everything can look and shape same way. Animal body different from man body. Bird body different from fish body. They sit them where they are heaven have one kind of body. And they sit them where they on earth have one other kind of body. Them body different, but the two of them pretty in their own way. The sun bright, the moon bright, and even the star them bright. But the three of them no bright same way. Even when you look on the star them one, all the star them no bright same way. I saw it go when God making people were dead come back alive. The body where you have now, it can dead. And when it dead and then bury it go rotten. But when God make we come back alive, the body we go get now go can dead. It now go rotten. When your body dead and bury, it ugly, bad, and it weak. But when God make it strong, when your body dead and bury, it ugly, bad, and it weak. But when God make it come back alive, it go well pretty and strong. When your body bury, it make up a bone and blood. But when God make it come back alive, it go be one spirit. Same like you have one body, when make up a bone and blood, as same so you have one body where spirits. It all right down in a God word say, the first man, Adam, God did have to make him. God did have to give him life. But the last Adam, him a go be one spirit where can give people life. The spirit body never come first. And the body we make out of flesh and blood come first. After that body day, then the spirit body come. The first man, God take dot make him body. But the second man, film body come from heaven. The people who live on earth, them are like the man where body make from dot. And them will live in a heaven. Them are going to be like the man where come from heaven. And just like how we did have one body like the man we make out a dot, as same so one day we are going to have one body like the man we come from heaven. My brother and sister, this is what me a try to settle. Nothing we make up a bone and blood can take part in a God kingdom. And sitting we dead can't live forever at the same time. And that make the body where we have now, and the body we're going to have when God make we come back alive. Listen, and listen good, because I'll tell you sitting when nobody no know about. I know all the way I got dead, but God I got change the whole away. And we are going to change fast too. Before you can quint your eye, it happen. When they blow the last horn, God will make the dead people them come back alive. And the body when I go give them, now go can dead again. And it might change the whole away. Because the body them where we have now, we dead and rotten. And so we have to change them and get one body where can dead. The sitting them we can dead. I forgot change and turn in at the sitting we can dead. And when that happen, at them time they sitting them we right down in a God what happen to. Me I talk about the part where say death lose. It no power over we. Oh, if you say you win, in death, at which part your power there? Sin, our give death the power for earth people, and sin get feed power from the law. But thank God, because him send we Lord Jesus Christ so that we could have win and that death could have lose. My brother and sister, turn up strong. And make nothing make you tap believe. Make sure say uno ever do the Lord work since uno know say all way uno do for God, uno na do for nothing. And God would this. Thank God. All right. Till tomorrow. Uno work good and one love.